Hello, my name is Salsa Solihat. I'm from Farmasi. Just keep on watching.
When I think back to my speech performance this semester, I can still remember how nervous I was. Every time I had to read a dialogue in front of the class, my heart beat so fast. I wasn't afraid of forgetting my script because we usually read it together with my classmates. But I was afraid of making mistakes. Sometimes I worried about mispronouncing words or reading something wrong because I felt so nervous.
The hardest part of me was confidence. I'm a shy person, and standing in front of others make me feel anxious. It wasn't easy to speak loudly and clearly when I knew everyone was listening. Pronunciation was also quite by challenging for me, especially when I had to sound natural and fluent.
But even with those struggles, I feel proud of myself. I pushed through my fear and still tried my best. Whether it was reading conversation, practicing vocabulary, or speaking during class, I managed to use English in front of others, and that was a big step for me. That experience helped me build more confidence. It showed me that progress doesn't always mean being perfect. Sometimes it just means being brave enough to try. And now I feel more motivated to keep improving my speaking skills and pronunciation. The chapter that I found most meaningful in this course was the hepatic system. This topic felt very personal to me because when I was in the second grade of elementary school, I once had a hepatitis A. It was a difficult time. I was very sick during my midterm exams and had to stay at home for about 2 weeks to rest and recover. That experience left a strong memory for me, and since then, I've always been curious about how the liver works. Through this chapter, I learned that the liver has so many important roles, not only in digestion but also in drug metabolism. It helps that the body break down and transform medicine into forms that can be used or eliminated. This made me realize how essential the liver is for the safety and effectiveness of medication. Learning about the liver also helped me connect my past experience with my future as a pharmacy student. When I think about my hepatitis experience, I now understand better how a damaged liver can affect how drugs work in the body. It also reminded me that as a future pharmacist, I have to be careful in understanding how each patient's condition can change the way their body responds to medicine. This chapter taught me not only about biology, but also about responsibility. That being in pharmacy means more than just knowing drugs. It means caring about the people who take them.
During this semester, I learned many things from this English course. The most important ones for me was speaking, medical vocabulary, listening, and confidence.
Before this class, I often felt nervous when I had to speak English, but through many activities like reading a dialogues, learning new medical words, and practicing pronunciation,
I slowly became more confident to use English in front of others.
I also improved my listening skills, especially when we had to understand medical conversation or videos. It helped me recognize how English is used in real healthcare situations, and that made the lesson even more interesting. However, there are still things that I find difficult, especially grammar and pronunciation. Sometimes, I still make mistakes when forming sentences or saying certain words. That's why in the future, I really want to focus more on improving those two areas. Even though I still have a lot to learn, I plan to keep practicing everything. Because learning a language is not just about perfection, but about progress. This course has really helped me grow, not only in English, but also in confidence and communication, which I know will be very useful for my studies and future career. If I had to give myself a grade, I think I deserve an I mean. I've been consistent in doing my weekly assignment, actively reading dialogues in class, and always trying to improve my skills. But I also know that there are still areas where I need more practice. So, for me, this grade represents both my effort and my room to grow. Thank you for watching my reflection video and thank you for this semester. Bye-bye!